Happy Market Monday. Chris from Fluent Mortgage, market fluently. So up, up, up and away, and big ones too. So thus far since Monday of last week, first off, you've gained $7,000 in house. So wherever your pre-approvals were from Monday to Monday, yay, you have more leverage for your clients. Recap on the last week, huge, of course, the Fed spoke, right? And Federal Chair Powell reiterated, I will stay the course until the job is done. 2% inflation, he stated it for like the thousandth time again. And that mark is actually going to be higher than we thought even in September. We'll talk about what is exacerbating the problem and why that final interest rate is going to be higher than we thought. Look at that next time. Some successes though in the last couple weeks, right? Remember, no to no. Never accept a bank no matter what. Well, 3 people took that to heart, and between $200,000 and $400,000, 3 people are going to get their homes. 3 people heard yes instead of a no. Thank you so much. Okay? Almost $30,000 more house. The week to come. The key report and the key mark is CPI, so inflation. Remember, we generally want to lock in front of that report for sure. So for those who have won, say $7,000, right? If you've got accepted offers coming up, lock as fast as possible because rates are already starting to slip or get a little bit worse. Now, in terms of what to leave you with to win, to make money, to finish more successful, to help more clients, right? No to no. The big ones too. And thank you that so many realtors are saying, man, I need more money for such a low price point. 10% lift because of 2% difference in rates. Our rates are so much lower than the worst in the business, right? Don't forget about the big ones. Instead of the $300,000 ones, the million, the $2 million, the $3 million homes, wouldn't you really like to have an extra $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 more leverage? About 10% difference we're seeing. So thank you for the small ones. We'll do them. We'll help them just as much. We'll love on them just as much. But wouldn't you rather get a $50,000 paycheck than a $10,000 paycheck, right? Like, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Happy Monday to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, but most of all, no to no, help your clients win when we have a chance still. See you next week.